Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. So today, we want to learn coordinate geometry topic. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nasuha binti ROSLI and this is my group members.
Hi, my name is ALIYA binti RUZAIMI, the leader of this group.
Hi, my name is IZZATI binti NASRI.
Hi, my name is AWATIF ALIYA binti YUSHARIZAL. So, what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is a system of geometry where the positions of points of the plane is described using an ordered pairs of numbers. Let's take a look at this piece of paper. When we draw the horizontal line, we call it as x-axis. When we draw the vertical line, we call it as y-axis. The intersection between these two lines, we call it as origin or reference point. On the x-axis, we put positive numbers to the right and the negative numbers to the left. On the y-axis, we put positive numbers from above to origin, and we put negative numbers below the origin.
Now, let's add a point A here. It is located at 5 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. So, the coordinate of point A is 5, 4. All of these are called as Cartesian plane. Let's add a point B here, 2 on the horizontal line and -3 on the vertical line. So, the coordinate of point B is 2, -3. From these 2 points, we can find its distance. So, how to calculate the distance? We can calculate the distance between 2 points by using Pythagoras theorem. So this is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. AB squared to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. And then AB is equal to the square roots of y2 minus y1 plus x2 minus x1.
Let's substitute the coordinate inside the formula. AB square is equal to open bracket 4 minus -3 square plus open bracket 5 minus 2 close bracket square. So AB square is equal to 7 square plus 3 square. So AB square is equal to 49 plus 9. Let's calculate 49 plus 9 and the result is 58. After that, write AB square is equal to square root of 58. Then calculate in the calculator to get the final answer. And the distance between point A to point B is 7.6158 units. Let's move on to the midpoint. We can calculate the midpoint by using average in the end of coordinate. This is the formula of midpoint. Let's substitute the coordinate inside the formula. 5 plus 2 over 2, 4 plus -3 in bracket over 2, all in bracket. Then calculate them. The result is 7 over 2, 1 over 2, all in bracket. The answer is 3.5, 0.5 in bracket. Next, gradient of line. We can calculate gradient of line by using gradient formula. The formula is y2 minus y1 all in bracket over x2 minus x1 all in bracket. Let's substitute the coordinate in the formula. 4 minus negative 3 in bracket, all in bracket, over 5 minus 2, all in bracket, then calculate them. And the final answer will be 7 over 3.
Step 1. Calculate the gradient of the line. Step 2. Choose the equation form. Step 3. Substitute and solve based on the equation. Firstly, we have to calculate the gradient of the line. So, as we know, the gradient of the line is 7 over 3. Okay, just a short recap. We are using the gradient formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So, when we substitute the coordinates into the formula, we got 7 over 3. That's it. For the second step, we have to choose the equation. For this question, I will choose the equation of the straight line, y equal to mx plus c. Y stands for y coordinate, m stands for gradient, x coordinates, and c is for y-intercept. So, this is the equation of the line that we will using in the next step. For the last part, let's solve it together with me. In the step 3, we have to substitute and solve based on the equation. Firstly, we have to choose the coordinate that we want. So, I will choose the coordinate A, 5, 4. 5 is x, 4 is the y coordinate, right? So, let's write the straight line equation, y equal to mx plus c. Substitute the coordinates into the equation first. So, 4 equal to m is a gradient, so gradient is 7 over 3 times x, 5, plus c. So, from this equation, we have to solve the algebra. 4 equal to 7 over 3 multiplied by 5 is 35 over 3 plus c. And then 4 times 3 is 12 equal to 35 plus c. Okay, and then we have to move 12 minus 35 equal to c. And the final answer will be c equal to negative 23. And that's it. So we have to rewrite the equation. The equation will be y equal to mx plus c. So the final answer is y equal to 7 over 3 x minus 23. Y is y coordinate. 7 over 3 is the gradient. X is the x coordinate. Negative 23 is the y-intercept. Okay, just a short recap for today's lesson. We have learned Cartesian plane, distance between 2 points. Okay, this is error. We have learned midpoint. gradient y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And lastly, we have learned straight line of the equation. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.